What's up, guys? Welcome back to part 4 of my NFT journey. And in this video, I'm just showing you guys that, I'm still working at it. And I've learned so much since my first video on NFTs. Right now, I'm working on the banner that I'm going to use for the website for these NFTs. And if you guys watched my previous video, the NFT that I decided to go with was an old drawing I had from a sketchbook of an alien character. So I had this actually a freestyle drawing I did years ago of these characters. It was just something out my head, and I did it digitally. And what I'm gonna do right now is I brought this photo into Procreate, and I'm gonna update it where it's gonna be resembling more of the characters that I did for the NFT. So you guys just follow along. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Remember, smash that like, hit the subscribe, leave me a comment if you have any feedback on NFTs and things that will make this journey a little easier. Any input will be greatly appreciated and might help some other people, because that's what it's about, connecting with people. All right, guys, so let's go.